Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us study about delta star transformation. Usually there are two patterns of resistor interconnections. One is delta connection, which involves three resistors arranged in the form of the Greek letter delta, and in the star connection or Y connection. Three resistors are connected to form a Y. So we can denote delta to star like this. Let R12, R23 and R31 connected in the form of delta. This delta network may be replaced by equivalent star network constituted by the resistors R1, R2 and R3 arranged in the form of a star. Let us combine these two pictures. So by combining these two, we get like this. We have to find the equivalent of delta in the form of a star connection. For that, we have to find the value of resistors R1, R2 and R3 in the terms of R12, R23 and R31. And this is the equation for R1, R2 and R3. That is R1 is equal to R12 into R31 whole divided by the sum of these three resistors, that is R12 plus R23 plus R31, and similarly R2 is equal to R12 into R23 divided by sum of the resistors in the delta connection. Also R3 is equal to R23 into R31 divided by the sum of resistors in the delta connection. Or in other way we can say the rule for delta star conversion may be stated as the product of adjacent two resistors of delta network divided by the sum of all the three resistors of the delta network. That is, if we have to find the resistor R1 in this case, let the resistor in R1 in the star connection we have to find, then the resistors that is connected to this point, that is R12 and R31. So the product of R12 and R31 divided by the sum of the resistors. And in this case, if we have to find R2, then R2 will be equal to the resistors which connect to that point, R12 into R23 divided by sum. Similarly, R3. Next is star delta transformation. So here we have to find the values of resistors in the delta network from the star connection. So we have to find R12, R23, R31 in terms of R1, R2 and R3. And the equation is R12 is equal to R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 whole divided by R3. Or we can write R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 divided by R3. Look at this picture. We have to find R12. So find the resistors which connect to this resistance, that is R12. That is R1 and R2 are the resistors in star connection which connect to this delta resistor. So the resistor value R12 is R1 plus R2 plus the product of these two resistor divided by the other resistor, that is R1 R2 divided by R3. Look here, that is R12 is R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 divided by R3. Similarly, R23 is R2 plus R3 plus R2 into R3 divided by the other resistor. Similarly for R31. R31 is R1 plus R3 plus R1 into R3 divided by R2. Or in other way we can write R12 is sum of R1 R2, that is R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3 is denoted as sigma R1 R2 divided by R3, that is for R12 here division is by R3 and for R23 divided by R1 and for R31 divided by R2, like that. And these transformations, that is delta to star or star to delta transformation, help us for solving many problems. Let us do one problem. Find the current supplied from the battery in the given network. So this is the network given: 5 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 7 ohm and 4 ohm. Then the battery voltage is 10 volt. First convert this delta into star connection. That is, here we can draw a star network like this. After rearranging, we will get like this. That is, this delta is transformed into a star connection and remaining 2 ohm and 7 ohm resistors are there. We have to find the values of these three resistors by transforming this delta into star. Let R1, R2, R3 be the resistors. We have to find the values. R1 will be equal to the product of these two resistors, that is 5 into 4 divided by sum of the resistors in the delta connection. 5 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 20 divided by 10 equal to 2 ohm. Similarly, R2 equal to 5 into 1 divided by 10 equal to 0.5 ohm. R3 equal to 4 into 1 divided by total resistance 10 equal to 0.4 ohm. And here these two resistors are in series, that is R2 is in series with 2 ohm and R3 in series with 7 ohm. So after rearranging this, we will get like this. This is R1. R1 is 2 ohm. R2 is in series with 2 ohm. 2 plus 0.5, that is 2.5 ohm. Here R3 in series with 7 ohm. R3 is 0.4. 0.4 plus 7, 7.4 ohm. And here these two are in parallel. The effective resistance of these two parallel combination is 2.5 into 7.4 divided by 2.5 plus 7.4 equal to 1.87 ohm, and this is in series with 2 ohm. So the effective total resistance are equal to 2 plus 1.87 equal to 3.87 ohm. Therefore, the current supplied by the 10 volt battery equal to current I equal to V by R equal to 10 divided by 3.87 equal to 2.585 ampere. Let us do next problem. In the network shown, determine the resistance between A and B. The numbers represent the respective resistance in ohms. This is the picture. Let A, B, C, D, E and F are the joining points. The problem is to find A resistance between A and B. So we have to solve from this side to this side. Look here, there is a delta in this picture. So we can convert this delta into a star connection. That is by converting this delta into a star, we get resistances, 3 resistances like this. So rearranging the picture, draw the delta only, that is convert this delta into a star. Let RD, RF and RE be the resistors of the star connected network. RD equal to 12 into 8 divided by the total resistance, that is 12 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 96 divided by 24 equal to 4 ohm. Similarly, RE equal to 12 into 4 divided by the total resistance equal to 2 ohm, and RF equal to 8 into 4 divided by total resistance equal to 4 by 3 ohm. After rearranging, we get like this 12, that is this is the new star connected network, and here these two resistors are in series. Here also these are in series. Here also this 14 and 2 ohm are in series. Again after redrawing, we get like this. Now in this picture there is a star connection. Convert this star connection into delta connection. Here we have to find the values AB, resistance, that is RAB, RBC and RCA. That is RAB equal to, this is AB, that is 16 plus 16 plus 16 into 16 divided by 8, and we get 64 ohm. Similarly, RBC equal to, RBC is 16 plus 8 plus 16 into 8 divided by 16, and we get 32 ohm. Similarly, RCA equal to 16 plus 8 plus 16 into 8 divided by 16, the other resistance, and we get again 32 ohm. Again redraw the picture, we get like this. Here 32 ohm and 64 ohm are in parallel. Also 32 ohm and 32 ohm are in parallel. Here also 32 ohm and 32 ohm are in parallel. Again after reducing this resistance values, that is here parallel connection, so applying the parallel resistance rule, RAB equal to 32 into 64 divided by 32 plus 64 equal to 64 by 3, and RBC equal to half of, here 32 ohm and 32 ohm are in parallel, so take half of that resistance, that is 16 ohm. Here also RCA equal to 16 ohm. So the final picture be like this. Here we have to find the resistance between A and B, and here 16 ohm and 16 ohm are in series, so we get 32 ohm in parallel with this 64 by 3 ohm. So resistance between A and B is 64 by 3 ohm in parallel. We denote like these two parallel lines to denote parallel. 64 by 3 ohm in parallel with 32 ohm, and we get 64 by 3 into 32 divided by 64 by 3 plus 32. After solving, we get 12.8 ohm. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.